Hello, this is going to be a quick introduction on how to use SnapName, which is an app to name your screenshot automatically using a local AI model, more particularly the Google Gemma 4. So you go to the snapname.app website, clicking download. I already downloaded the file. Notice that the file is 5 gigabytes because it bundles the Gemma 4 model. So once you download it, you click on it to launch. It's gonna launch. That takes a little bit. It's gonna verify. This is signed by Apple, so should be totally fine to launch. Here the standard installation procedure. Just drag to applications folder. It's gonna go to the applications folder, and then you go to apps and look for SnapName. It's there. Click to open. That's the standard dialog. Click open. Here's a quick introduction on how it works. Basically, it's gonna watch the folder of your macOS screenshots. So if you're using the native macOS screenshot application, it's gonna use that folder. If you're using some other application, Snappy or some other kind of screenshot application, you can pick up the file name from whatever folder you tell you tell it to. So now it's using the automatically. It's gonna pretty much get the one from the macOS native screenshot application. So got it. Let's start having some fun. So here I have some images. So if I go to this zebra here and take a screenshot, and notice that I'm taking a screenshot using the macOS native utility application. So it comes here, we wait for it to be saved. Here is the application. Looks like it comes here with the bad name screenshot. But now what happens is Snap app, which is running here, has already picked it up and is analyzing. So soon enough, it's gonna pop up here with some name suggestions. So here you have 3 name suggestions. You have the standard one, or you can even type one if you want to. But let's just pick the second one, wild zebra animal, and then save. And then notice that here, now your screenshot has the name that the model chose. Let's do this again. Take this image of this tiger here. Again, notice that it's gonna come to the screenshots folder. I have my macOS utility configured to write the screenshots to this screenshots folder instead of the default desktop folder. I've changed that before this demo. So here it's already analyzing. Soon enough, it's gonna come up here. And then again, you can choose one of the 3 suggestions here. So I'm gonna choose tiger in natural habitat. Before I save here, I wanna show something very important and very cool. Maybe you don't wanna do this choosing all the time. Maybe you wanna run this thing on autopilot, meaning like get the first suggestion, use the first suggestion from the AI model, save the file, and don't even like bother me. I'm doing all the stuff here. I don't want to think about this. So all you have to do is click here on autosave. So if you click here on autosave, the next time you take a screenshot, it's not even gonna bother you. Let's see. So now I'm gonna save the tiger here, and I click on this checkbox. Great. So now, if I go to another screenshot, look what's gonna happen. It's not gonna bother me because now it's in autopilot. I took a screenshot. I'm doing something else here, and I can be typing something. I can be working with codecs or whatever. And then it's gonna do everything automatically. It's gonna choose the first suggestion of the AI model. And it's just gonna give me this message here saying, hey, I just renamed your screenshot. That's it. It's gonna go away, or you can click to dismiss. And then now this thing is completely on autopilot. You take screenshots, it's gonna do it automatically. And the most important thing about this is like I said in the beginning, this is using a local Google Gemma 4 model, which is lightweight, small, and powerful. It's multimodal. So what happens is you have total privacy here. Your screenshots are not going anywhere. They're staying on your machine, and the local AI model, it's coming up with a name suggestion. And the application has many other features. You can come here and see for yourself. Have fun.